the best coffee makers in 2021. What is the first thing you do after you step out of bed? Drink water? Step straight into the shower for work, or, if you are like most people, you will look for coffee. For some of us, coffee is the bitter but potent elixir we need each morning to wake up. But for those who are in love with the exquisite taste and aroma of a fresh brew, a coffee maker is needed. We believe that is the only reason anyone should invest in a coffee maker, the taste. And, if you want to save on everyday gas for getting coffee from your favorite café, or save money and precious time wasted on standing in lines at the same café, simply try a coffee maker, and you will see how the device ends up recovering its cost, along with helping you enjoy your preferred blend of coffee beans every day. Here are a few options for you to consider for your next coffee maker. Number 1. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. With the percolation method making up this coffee maker, brew 6 cups at one time. Make a perfect cup of coffee and refill a removable water reservoir in just a few simple steps. Number 2. Bodum Pour Over Coffee Maker. A simple heat-resistant glass flask makes excellent coffee in minutes by pouring over the steel mesh that permanently filters the coffee extract, keeping the aroma fresh and clean. Number 3. Muller French Press Coffee Maker. Brew your coffee with the immersion method for a fresh and aromatic cuppa. The machine does not require automation and works its magic over time. Number 4. Bialetti Mocha Stovetop Coffee Maker. You get to choose between 3 to 12 cup variations giving 1 ounce of espresso each. Enjoy your coffee while you customize your potent shot of espresso however you like. Number 5. Hario Coffee Dripper. Brew fresh coffee with this unique and durable ceramic body of this dripping coffee maker. Improve on the fruity and floral flavors of your coffee with the cone-shaped brewing mechanism. Number 6. AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker. By using a total immersion brewing, you get a quick cup of coffee in just 1 minute. Remove bitterness and acidity from your coffee to make lattes or cappuccinos.